I have here today is a small little nail grinder for dogs, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open it up, show you what all you get with this thing. Then I have two dogs actually, and one gets really long nails, and what I'll do, I'll knock his little nails down, and then I'll show you how well this thing works. So it looks like it's got 4 LED lights, 3 grinding ports, and it's whisper quiet, and it's got a diamond bit grinder. So you know what, if it's diamond bit, it's probably going to be pretty powerful. And it looks like it's from the company YABIFE, and it's got a little set of instructions, pretty simple to kind of follow. If you've ever used any type of these nail grinders, I think you'll be just fine. A extra piece, so if yours wears down, you know what, you got a new grinding bit right there. USB-C cable, this is rechargeable, and a little cleaning thing. Look at the size of this thing. This is awesome looking. You get it, you just pull off right there. It already has a bit in it. There's the top. If you want to turn the lights on, hold down right there. Let's see. Turn it on. Oh, there it is. So once it's on, listen to that. That is 2, 3. 3 modes of operation. Yeah, look at that. You just basically stick their nails down in there, and that's going to trim up pretty easy. If you want to, you just turn the LEDs on. Yeah, this thing looks like it's going to be great. Let me take it over. Let me actually bring the dog over and hit his nails, and let's see how well it trims his nails down. We'll do her first. We'll take this off. She knows something's up. Look at these claws on her. You guys see those? Those are some big claws right there. Oh yeah, that's knocking the edges right off. All I'm gonna do is knock the edge down on them. I'm not gonna take the claws all the way down. It's really quiet, so it doesn't seem to be bothering her much. Oh, I like this top better than the bottom. You don't want to get where you're down into the skin, but you just want to get. Yeah, everybody, this is something I recommend for anyone that just wants to have a good nail grinder for, you know, taking care of the dog's nails, because hers, she gets where she starts digging holes everywhere and scratching your legs when she jumps up on you. And I think I can already tell that feels 10 times better. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, dog nail grinder. See you on the next video.